The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Host. What? Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Host. What?
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Production. This Lavish Morris Production.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hey, yo, Forget to let son and him for me now of the bar. Mabrami, oh, I mean, many be a banana, Metiano. Only love, Afia, Gracie, what you're dancing. Gracie. till you're tipsy. Not too much, don't get dizzy. For real, the reason why the party's jumping. Everybody now, clapping. For real, the reason why the party's jumping. Everybody now, clapping. Sip champagne till you're tipsy. Not too much, don't get dizzy. For real, the reason why the party's jumping. Everybody now. Baby, can I take you to a barbecue? Baby, can I take you to a barbecue? 7 o'clock the time, 7 o'clock. 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 Baby, can I take you to a barbecue? I'll be the sugar in your bobo tea. 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 Be a laughter. I'll be a BC. I'll be a laughter. Play with me, my girl. Baby, can I take you to a barbecue? Baby, can I take you to a
The
barbecue?
Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
7 o'clock the time, 7 o'clock. 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 Baby, can I take you to a barbecue?
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Friscalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Adore your way, obey me and a minimum so. Any eternity, as I was some more. I say, some more. When you're not saying about me, moon, no. Until me, moon, no. Ora me chiche me, say when you was on to me spell ya, ora me churro. Then try, wouldn't say, all back of one trick, put down for it, boy me. Nasa wolf in my noise, other wolf in my noise. When you don't see about me moon, no. Timmy moon, no. I hold you warm. When you're see about Timmy moon, did I know? When you're see about Timmy moon, did I know? Did I know? When you're see about Timmy moon, did I know? Did I know? Mama submit to me in the beer. Did I know? Mama submit to me in the beer. All the program, yeah. All the program, yeah. Yeah.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Check it out, yeah. Check it out, yeah. Check it out, check it out, check it out, yeah. Check it out, yeah.
Ejuma.
Check it out, check it out, yeah. Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Check it out, yeah. Check it out, yeah. Check it out, yeah. Check it out, yeah. Right, so back in the days, I mean, if you're a good dancer, you should know how to dance to this tune. Yeah. Check it out, 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 yeah. Charlie, man has really done some pound. Man has really done some. Those days, your toe shoes are. I just say your toe, wallabies near there. What? Because Pabwana, Mamma Toma Eco School near quiet the Quasana today. Dina Ojala, yes, man, next time we'll quiet Tom Pabo be his friend or wab, because open wab. Sawa Bonadia, with the Asa. That's right, so midweek edition of Juma Wednesday morning, 21st February 2024. Exactly 42 minutes after 10. Obi a pomo te say, be the years somewhere. Yeah, be able call there. Yeah, that young couple say. Papa, join your friend, Jenny, me champion, Copena Boaten. Over to me, a friend, Copena Costi. And I shall brand it for the perfect gentle. Right, so Martin, I see there. I just say, you're someone is for God and country. Yeah, we're serving ODA at Chimodan precisely. So, wherever you are, you're more Kwaba. But what you can't have any free. If today happens to be a very first time, Akwaba, Rezo, we be able to call on. I'm not gonna lie, you go like this show. Once again, you're from a Copena Costi, and of course, I am your driver. I make sure your breakfast and your lunch is perfect. You got me? It's like I'm the brunch time driver. I mean, you can even call me the landlord. When it comes to brunch time, yeah, because I make sure everything is something. That's right. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing this morning, God bless you for making a Hinkano FM your number one dial, and also making a Juma your favorite program. I love you for that, and I appreciate you. I'm not gonna lie. So this is the show. We make sure we entertain you to the max. Of course, we come through Mondays to Fridays, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And check us and come out the Casa Fidiato once again. If you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Ganteten, if you speak Ever, if you speak Brekume Poiteme, if you speak Awaza Yade, if you speak Fra Lawane, if you speak Grushi. Right, so if you speak Grushi Krita, if you speak Zaman Cordia, if you speak Fanti, I patch your want today. But there's this thing I don't understand. Why is it that people you won't call me the moment you hear my voice you start to call me? Where's am I confused? Maybe I phone it down. When you say near so I have to go and check. I mean yo. Hey, check us here and come on, Mr. Urban Fashion. Mr. Urban, who want you? But some back grab about me, boy. You want your papa. This year, I'm sure will be one social media. Ah, Mr. Urban. I've a jaggers here so and cover Steel of Sound Force Ventures. Come on, Mr. Chumesi. Daddy. Maybe I don't want to say. I'll fake here now fashion. I'll send the phone in and back up Salum de Gambia. I'll fake and come on, my papa Bako, Mr. William Beck. Watch my son. Daddy, you who one shoot out, you who one count on, you who want to be on cost to come upon for mile. Only make good morning. I'll feel so your Frau Nash, watch my son, you will do my same for Boafie. Minya, now today. Check it out, yo, check it out, yo, check it out, yo, check it out, yo. Yes, Nana, I know your dancer. Yes, Nana, I was Gin and Yajai, or Bompire Johnson, or organizer. Mia, yes, I was you and Yajai. And I was there. What's it, Bolia? I also Fasana. Pitch out of Vinia than I out. Or Bompire Johnson, or the natural look beauty saloon. Masada, mommy. Miracle, mommy. Bitch out. And our face and come Daisy, Kate, Comfort. Bra Michael, our SDA Johnson, like Carpentany. Mimi about Frida, exclusive beauty salon. Good morning and come on. And our face, me and my mama Hannah, our SDA Johnson. Pama dear Kabasta, be a baby ama. What is it? Latest style, we are so be you. Or Saturn Gobe. But me picture me for pound. And then I am WhatsApp state friends and deep you. Everybody. Yeah, I mean, yes, got my farm boy. Yes, got my farm boy. Oh, fine. Mammy, I'm your mananka, my 5 road with you. Mama Vida, oh, Jubilee Bridge, and so much of you about God, yeah. You did yourself here. And I've a parties good in seasons. And come on, girls, now more level 360 Papa Honina. Good morning. And come on, Dependable Beauty Salon, Emmanuel Amauga, Marsha Beauty Salon, DJ Lion, the baby Aboko. Yeah, you are Company Junction, Michiao, Quality Fashion, Liberty Entrance, Mr. Asari, and a Dr. Kwame Taylor. Good morning. Echechabungina. Yankwacha Modern Government Hospital. So this morning when I was coming to the office, in fact when I was entering the reception, I met I think 3 nurses. Yeah, I think they came on the morning show. So I met them here, no, Mira inside. One of them was like, oh, this is the guy I was talking about. I was a bit confused. I was like, yeah, this is the guy I was talking about. I'm the one you took my daughter out for the. I said, oh, okay. Let's shout Scala Studios. Yeah, so I went to Scala Studios and I saw this beautiful little girl. I mean, she was. You see me, I love kids. Yeah, me pen kolapa. When I saw the girl, oh dear girl, how she was. I think she's about 4 years. Yeah. So she was taking pictures for her birthday shoot, or she was doing a birthday shoot photos or something. On any new year. So I took her. We took some pictures together. My Shannon, mommy news. So the mom came here today, and we met here. It was a vibe. I see a friend called and I'm in a refi. Hey, Jay, a daily dose of motivation here, bro. But in the meantime, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Ajwa, good morning. And come on, Bungina. Check it out, 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 check it out. Right, so 50 minutes after 10. One country of this year by your not to say I grow now as you know to me. Me only my cobusa me ayoka. Non control. Me my brabo madam me chinye defeat. Me mean defeat you brabo. Me. Da is that. Me only me shot here be as I just want to give you up. Me, boy, ask the boys at SDA. Me know game 20. Na we young point yo. Me make sure semetemika. Me, opa yanka say about 20 games. Na win him 11. I mean no akanai. Me make sure say me win 9 year make say yambo back for last hour. Me accept defeat. If you see that, me come na what you tell me sir. Me say me accept defeat. Debbie. That is why I'm always winning. Na kopon come home, so I'm always winning. And Timon can't show this year by not say he will give up. He can't. Ebe frono. So me tisi this one thing tankasi that's why ebe frono. Obe jai phone you for 8 years. In be catch it. And now no di missy was some year for that just no chabo me. Chabo madao. That's at 6 something. And I'm answering them 640 measure. Oh, so as at 6:59, now was 7. But this Shaba was sending me messages. The guy that destroyed me on Bosomi FM. I said, no, this guy go over. You make it way small. Anyways, music from Boli. Kiss Your Bride. That's right. Midweek edition of Juma Wednesday morning. From Kobina Kosti. Branton Pod, the perfect gentleman. Good morning and have a blessed day.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Check it out. Now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Check it out. Now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Me kwame the wash son John, but when chingo, and I do walk over tin tongue. Oh, na
to Nasa to Pong, your China ni bank, I'm a friend away, John. Oh, kiss your bright. No one offense in this wine. Me want to know who brush a yank. What only pay the money puppy to do. Me for come, what you need the double do. Second, you joy. Oh, you may kiss your bright. A bar knock on managing the one who you miss so much safi. This wine, chaka, there was my pounds. Is I wouldn't go to your mother house. People on the chin now, watch the safi. The old man Jimmy Brown. I say, you may kiss your bright. Oh, kiss your bright. You may kiss your bright. I see a man who wants to see that. If you are taking or I don't know, Tina, they be a Kurama Kunavita. Saji, my hand is so into me, Tony, ever see a CMO. If you are taking Makuma Bushia, me, Manisika of Yakura. Saji, Makoya Bomusio, Makoya Bomusio, Medical Pepe, Chief Mango, Mami, oh, Makoya Bomusio, Makoya Bomusio, Medical Pepe, Chief Mango, Mami.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Check it out. This very nice, but my two tap. Every giddy break a chair. You see, my cantam, one I'm a pep. Now, you can answer any other. I am the prep bar, but you want one idea. Some of my young Kodama, enter the kingdom of
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Father, we see for some sugar, and yes, I do a DMA Baza. Kuma Musa Fuama, opening different doors. I lost my dinner. They said I'm in a march, check it out. Who they do or do I check it out? Nimbolia, I'm in a jacket. Make kissing me bright, that's what I'm for John Matiti. I can see yes, I will do. The love, yeah, what's it, dummy, Brabby, many, I'm a frozen to Messi, my don't tie me. This very nice, Tumbulukusu, romantic jagger. We are see a man who we want to see that. If you are taking up, or I don't know, Tina, they be a Kurama Kunafita. Saji, my hand is so into me, Tony, ever see a CMO. If you are taking up, Makuma Bushia, me, Manisika of Yakura. Saji, Makoya Bomusio, medical affair, Chief Mango, Makoya Bomusio, medical affair, Chief Mango, now you may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. You may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Say, Sasso, what's the watch you jump? Oh, my lazy wine, you want so. The chain you there, my lame, a champion, Melly, people will jump. Them, Naya, you can fuck on Pani, a bomb. You go to supermarket, you got all the fear, what friend, a tom. My rap was some fancy men who waste me, are gone. Yamina don't mean that, being I can't remember my belly pump. Check it out.
That's right. So, of course, we're still live here 57 minutes after 10. Kwabi Dela, some of the messages there. Hey, I say, Costi, thank you, Pam. I know the date to count. 14 February 2024, you make me black mood. I put egg on you to make me happy. E-G-E. Is it egg and an egg? Me say I have a voice note, brother. I will credit. Costi, thank you, Pam. 14 February 2024, you make me black mood. I put okay, me just say I. Okay, where the typo? I put eye on you to make me happy. Kwame, what do you mean? You put your eye on me to make you happy on Valentine's Day? My guy, you may steady or.
You may kiss your bride.
Oh, the one need to use my own ninja Valentine's Day. What's that? Me, my own myself. And not me baby on now. Oh, but that way steady.
You may kiss your
bride. Probably steady or. Hey, me Valentine's Day kose kramenye bi me kose kramenye bi na chocolate. Na masade be ma adwendwen a come so me de ehun say me de be ma bie. Me ma be ma ni age. Wa me tell na what eh. Hey. Anyways, my for daily dose of motivation and from bro. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery Adaroma Yadi and Cranshare Assem Edinburgh this morning. Right, so Color Studios I watch more than Liberty Transport opposite Kenop Pharmacy. Me patcho Ebiana Uncle Hoda. Just go there today, go and have a wonderful experience. Yes, go and have a wonderful experience. Color Studios, Sebra, wedding photographies, birthday photographies, studio photographies, picture frame, passport pictures. Ningina oba sort out. After you school crest, and I said badges. Yes, yeah, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, face star embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery. Yes, also training woman, person, photographers and videographers as well. Oba. Vanessa in so one side about the makeup artist in so do Osho Bema when my fee pants, person we makeups and sana would phone now because Vanessa ewo Fred one 0245 276638 0245 276638. Today, this morning, our daily dose of motivations, as usual, is always brought to us by Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. And I'll pay young crash 780 a short. So I read a book yesterday. So Andra maybe them. I came home around 9. Yes, around 9. But that by 9. Now me do feel there's this book Obi de Mami. Nyame no granny mankind that. So yesterday me imagine so okay mankind. Sinebia Obi ana one day okobuza say na come na book ya me toma nti what kind there. It's me yes me kind book no. First page of the book. I mean it's a Christian book, it's a religious or it's a religion book. I mean can say yes, it's a Christian book. There's this thing I saw in the first page. I say everything you want is hidden in faith. Everything you want is hidden in faith. So me tanasi din na me dream ade hu bisa me hu say what does this message means? Everything you want is hidden in faith. Ade a ope bia no say ade a wo hwehwe bia no ehinta e wo gidie mu. Ehinta e wo gidie mu. And Bible so my tia say wo gidie et say snappy aba e betumi akomande bepo amane tutu. And the sad dia na che se me pe bibia me gidie etu anamo amensa beka. Am I communicating? Se me pe bibi pan seriously me the gidie etu anamo amensa ebeka. Whatever I want is hidden in faith. Umra so person ware, it is hidden in faith. Waware no, it is hidden in faith. Fagidie shawaware dates. Fagidie ma hu date say me 9th November 2024 me ware. Fagidie gidie fashion kom to abra boso. Say me afi 2024 be ko na wieye na me ntwi obi taxi biem na me twi mi ankasa me de. Afi 2024 be ko na wieye na eka edame so no me metumi atwia. Fa gidie hyenkom se ade biara aye den no afu wei busumi wei na watwe wei ende be ko na wieye no na otumi aye. You see, faith is something we don't see but we believe in. Ade yan fa ye ni hu but na agye. That is what we call faith. On fa woni hu ye but what agye say it will be possible. Ubetumi aye. Ena gidia ehihim enye papa. Enti no man fa gidia nhye wo honkom na ensan dwen wo se na asem maka enkrebe ya na be pa jo what the kan kele o prophecy ne da. What the kind akele prophecy already. So, sa wonya gidia hye wo honkom a fa bibi back gidie no. Ema wadwen nya wontanta say asama maka enkura nti betimi ayeye. Betimi to anamo. But the moment you have that thought, the moment at the crow and as be say about trimuno ujidie no ewu or prophecy no aside right from the onset. So this morning I am encouraging you and I'm telling you, say, whatever you want is hidden in faith. Whatever you want is hidden in faith. So have faith and believe in yourself. Prophesy. Shall come catch it say. Me, and that will be now I've been able to achieve ABC. Yes. Me say, share our real date man when I shot here. Fa gidie, fa shower real date, fa ma ho, tro, fa tu baby, na bosom pie na shot here. Ebia me near him can from you look for my number and call me. Sakobana, there was a day, 21st February. What can say? Whatever you we want is hidden in faith. Into yan try your date fanto. I did same with faith and abem. You call me, you tell me. If I start time, my old focus here. Yes. Yes. It's me pacho. Adie bia o hwehwe bia. On sabetumi aka. On sabetumi aka so agina wa so. Wonu mu kasa. A gidie wom. Ebema adekora na bem. E from prophet Peter. Ano pay me pacho mi chao. Bigidi yese won ho ye. Bigidi yese bibia boko. Mami twa me ho bra. Na yeba. 93.3 of us start to adjumide. So just yeba ya nate. Me ko ba me do be issue. Se bibia ansesa me ko ba me do be issue. Bibia ansesa me ko ba me do wo be issue. Me no ba ko be fi kroma. Na be ye won so. O do be hu.
Se wa fa mukro na yare be du muntum kura. Yesu bebrebe ya be se mo yi ana.
Bra kwesi. Me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nko ni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava One Herbal capsules and an mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava One Herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava One Herbal mixture so de. Malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi Omodo so nyana o drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne banufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumienu. Oya malaria test. Na say positive a. We dura ne Ava One Herbal mixture. Wa akimodan open dodo etu a. Obehu omo pepiase ampedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abo main road ne so. Ubenya bi so ato a 14 drugstore. Kenop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava One Herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aje ejwedi nkrato yato
me pa ochaw ehina kukrantu mika ejina me kwape kwan ma me ba wo Bright Senior High School.
Ayo madam metro na ye de ho ansna me ba ko school.
Oh fine. Yes o mo ya de say.
Enya grow me ba no JHS results ba na nya kra. Oh school choose your kwara mpaso mo fa no. Ai na Bright Senior High School me train ka me de ne ko na ngoma.
Na wo mo ya courses ben.
Bright Senior High School all secondary courses. General arts, business, home economics, visual arts, general science, agric science, secretarial and all technical courses. Building and construction, carpentry and joinery, electrical engineering, automobile engineering, draftsmanship, and all vocational courses including driving. Bright Remedial School Suho, Wabafelo baby pennas out in a bar on Felibio, and you want Bright Diploma College, and also all diploma programs. Nina, I will run to me at Chim Eastern Region. Forms our all regional post offices and a radio stations Pimu Frey 024 207 1185 and now 0277 147727.
Great Brace.
We surpass all.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso. ene nyarewa kese nkaya wuti ni din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no eboye ho ban efiri ho enna wo mpo a omu wa nyarewa ne dada na omunum Dr. Enuro no enum imbu seba mesha no a emomu ahoden pintin ya wo muntimpo se yare ese omu ho imbu seba mesha ewo kanshi ene o maimu babia yeto Enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbu seba mesha police ni no edrono enkratwe FDA asayase
Mido, asa na de fia ye hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia ye hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supra na.
Eye JA ban ni Nko Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nan se nkwada enyoma ni ate se wan. Eye para zo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni na afro. Na ade ba de na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won se uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Wamunioma no, ubenya biato wakuma setakura de tamale ho sunya ne nkoko wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemushe se wo peni doso pomatoa ubenya bi ewo kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko yima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body say
eye JA Bani Nko Limited.
Ja, me drew ho sesia.
Hey, Efia, me hu wache papa.
Bra, nansen yade a me yade ye. Enya odunfo bi na che me kumi herbal tea. Ankasa brei adibone.
Ado we na aka ho asem ya na.
Ebia.
Kumi herbal tea de eboa ema enkwamo woni padua mu gyan na so yie. Na sanya hoden akutie nyarwa hodo a ewo ni padua mu. Eye tea bag anopa bia oyi ba ko de tun so hye mu a minute be se du ekosi dunum entem no na wanom. Enwure nso saa bra wode de wi a wo koda. Enipa do pi ananom kumi herbal tea ni bi a wodi ho adanse. Oha hodo bi e woni padua mu no. Kumi herbal tea ebe afi ho ama. Hyano nso se oba pemfo obi o makoda nufuo ana akoda woni mfinhia edu de adre wontimi enum bi. Ubenya kumi herbal tea ebi ato ewe bia oton ahodo. Kumi herbal tea Yesumo Herbal Center ensano adwuma Dr. Paul Kumi Minta de daso ya no obetimi afre no ewo 0248 716402 0248 716402 ana 0503 785656 0503 785656 Kumi Herbal Tea ana eye immune system support FDA age adwade nkratoi atum. Yes.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sawudi Wajuma Shaminsa, Mesha say, Usika Enco Waste. Inti, Metomino Manina Free Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan Chain, Enti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan Chain, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Pani, fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Chain, our Kameni Junction, on Ijaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello there. This is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What's it? Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Abi Anna, and you're listening to Kwabena Kosti. What?
Ejumo!
I'm saying, we are saying, Dawson. If you are the one, no be town. That's a young couple issue to be other. So I call you. Now, you have seen why your team are pressed still. They put the income in 20 mil. Me and dying one room over Makati Hill, and 9% will be able to make the minimum daily mill. Mimpeka, Trotro Panyana, and I guess it would be so good and tell when Yama, and run me to be a deep, but woman shada capre, we need bow one city crying and Yana Roma. Now, Serbia would be a drink as I could be in a cat, Kwame Boachi class in the Miagan, Mapadi, relax in my hair, a custom studio, just a single track, Katijana, Brahma Branded, missing a watch your bat, Yamuhu Ya, Winnibre, and your sanity, Nakopo, we should have be other that, Wama would be actually, into Siabotre, study with life, Uber Shabre, every hour with the median and young, was so good Pama dear. Near what is and I may buy, we would be as a train on Yankopo, the Gabunatane, as a mentor Makukriku. Who could you see what him a messy Philippa Befi, Sister Gifty, Auntie Christina Misha, Morgana Muhunti, Ghana, Jim what to integrate a baby, but you must send the be a day, sending a cake in the seven catching, as I'm being, and come a refi, because I sent him Misha Bread, but the nephew, what I send, was my young will be a rendy. Now, if you ask me, why you must go, a fair penny, and I have a 20. Then I want to come okay, you won't not tell with your brain. I would hear. Yes, me now, why you must go. A fair penny, and I have a 20. Then I want to come okay, you won't not tell with your brain. I would hear. Now, Yansa in the back of the team. Near what you say with the mono, and one will be soon. Into the wagging, if you have to be a yard, I bet your crown will be soon at 20 pound bread. Near what time will be a Lojana, send my young copon. If I cry a day and then we were what I will bone. Who you fancy to be con, a yamamre, would the pay a bit one more. Near a 2 Yaba, what I want so the Ibiana one Bobra, and I will be Indiana. Nobody knows, or no peroning and our head into the way, but Brapana one be money, car, a dying, a two, and son, and ma, it got my apple walk, so cool, chrono, so can grow, croissant, if you black or consent, my day, I want my swan, what time. If you're not going to go to watching into Jai, Mamma, what day, and I'm going to why? Barbara say you're fine, I'm mentioning because I Braxy Mutti, this is stop now. A man, I'm a shot with you when you will be a woman, and then you'll be your friend for the woman. She said, the other to be
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Eti nipa pan na dia bebia wa daga dakem ya send suit wa fufure mu ne papem on to make kana ho na campus wa kasem bi brem pesi kano bi fu from me pasem rushing bluffing I just some question said judging the home ya bebia wo be ko wadwen learning the lesson the life is a blessing floating stone I'll leave as a legend when you be ka kanti na we set see wo bossa me ani me ni mo bia me throw bia ma brem nya ma pre ma fa ma kele go bia me fidi go hia ma me ne gwa me ni mo ni kaka bia wa high to crash me Edu sweat jadi jaya no nipa do send the team ni try no me gina say ya hopping kan ko na so me kan back na me popopo osi wo hwe me maybe na me ho fe no ma bedi sika ye nipa try kamesa no wo hwe me ya be ye de mo ye no ya be sha de mo hwe no ene hwe de me hwe no what say di men no tep ya we man no ye wo hu ne se na tie no kan na ya me honam en cho be ye so me so kan ya ne ba pani nipa kwa tisako so mo en chana re me want it to come at ya. Come at me, so no running. My favorite one, I love you. You know, can we run away? Can we run away? Can we run away to a special place? Can we run away? Can we run away?
You. Watch a me do me quantia, I go catch you. Ya say me never fatter, they say I they match you. We a better pair like a jellystone bear, stuck like a tattoo. We ain't gotta run away, we staying right here. We been through a lot, this ain't even close to a nightmare. Yeah, don't know how to decide, sorry, damn offering. Can't wait till the day we go see you on the offspring. But until then, it's me and you against the world. My winning, you didn't be a woman and stop being a girl. I did but some of me soon, yeah, when I'm here. But when you go with Jim, this is here, yeah, me, yeah. I just wanna tell you how I feel. We go be together like ants on the hill, like keys on the piano, notes for notes, campaign song.
for your love. Give me your vote.
Can we run away? Can we run away to special place? Can we run away?
I'm gonna be my wife, so she ain't gonna break no rules that I state. Together like the sea and shore, stuck for eternity and yes for sure. I just have got to yearn for more, and don't bother about another girl about more. My girl, from the ghetto where we born and grow, it's only all kind of love we know. Nothing gonna stop us now. We loving us till we grow.
My boy, from the ghetto where we born and grow, it's only our kind of love we know. Nothing's gonna stop us, no. We're loving us till we grow.
Where we born and grow, and you are the only one that I know. My ghetto girl,
I love you more, 'cause from the ghetto where we born and grow, and you are the only one that I know. You're my ghetto girl. Friana pa, Kosiana Ju, Wajin drink kumi. Oh boy, you know I can't do nothing without you, and all the things you do to me, my baby, makes me wanna be with you. Oh, that's why you alone represent the wood and I'm fire. I go pull any lamp to give you what you desire. Lifetime service, now no, we are gonna retire. We're reaching up, we're reaching up, we're reaching up high. Hold my hands, let's play and dance together.
Passer le temps et d'avoir un peu plus chaud. Un premier client me demande du popo et j'ai gagné le premier billet de la soirée. Qu'est-ce que je vais aller me faire chier à l'école? De toute façon y a pas de place pour moi sauf en col. Dans une semaine j'ai mon merco alors que les autres s'écartent orange et métro. La nuit passe, les billets se multiplient. Je sais que c'est mal mais j'ai pas d'autre moyen de survivre. Alors bon Dieu, oh laissez-moi m'en sortir.
It's a one mic jam. Warana okayo. Eni jeta pwechia. Ubebra kofaba. Then so I fade in a buyer. Sio keke neto. Now we ching betching yeah. Warana okayo. Ijam kura unimia. Unimiane she. Then so I fade in a buyer. We are keke nebo. Now we ching betching yeah.
Sada wadada mio. Eighty sweetie, la me sweetie. Oh, did you baby, Sada wa family go free. Send me to Hania, benim sawo wasa. Oh. Oh, did you Sada wadada mio. Eighty sweetie, la me sweetie. Baby, Sarah, wa famia ofrebi. Semiti hania, minim sawo wasa.
You said that you would cross the sea with me, but even through my tears, you drowned. And you said that you would bring the sun to me, but now there's heat between the two of us. You melt down to the
That's right. So 23 minutes after 11, music from Ochoa Kwame Raquel. Alright, so on Wednesday, of course, in the lifestyle segment, and today on the lifestyle segment, to keep our refrigerators clean and also avoid them from odor. You see, you're uncomfortable one man fridge mobile. Is it a will be in the fridge one of them upon use more on that? How to get rid of fridge odor? Ubi fridge man, Jones and can't ever fridge in the morning. Quite a fast way, be some canoe a free fridge in the morning. So today, this is what we're going to talk about on the lifestyle segment. So stay tuned. Mami Indi Kai and Tom Adie. Nah, Tom Adie, we are now facing Yama with tips on how to keep your fridge clean and also get your fridge. Get rid of fridge odor. So in the meantime, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Chairman Mensa, Papa Way, Kroman de Pacho, Bia Ban Samrane, Kroman de Ubia, Jipapaya do. Kroman de Papa Ubia, say, Bana dance here, who Yama de Joe San, who not is a Okotobu Kanaza. And Tibra, Mr. Mensa, Jam Trading Enterprise, Chairman Mensa, Mr. Mensa, but thought, a dance here, who Yama Bia, Pesa Utobia, from cement to Chancedan to PUP, iron rods, marine walls, corner moldings, wall angles, center panels, fiber. Bibia, Officer will talk na offer your project there. Make sure bra a Jam Trading Enterprise. Papa no work or toss cement who do be a bit in the Kujao, say iron rods, so now. In fact, the Albert Tobiano, car hot maybe Timidia Kujao, Nabia Kama Pan. Papa Joe, Chira Kwan Wachim or Dan, a Kamini Junction. One is Jaji at the Ding Shenimo. Over to me, a friend was 0208123872 now 02445668880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Papa Way. If you didn't want to dance, you enjoy that. You be dear, Nezo, you enjoy that. Yeah, Papa. Right, so Global School of Aviation Management, Departure courses INB Hospitality Management, Tourism and Culture Management, Airfare Ticketing and Reservation, Passenger Handling, Media and Communications. All courses are within 6 months for certificates awarded by ICM UK and Genebra Global School of Aviation Management. Also Departure Benya certificate na fabi bo brani adia na jisika kese egufie na odi bi hwe busia di bi bo na me adwuma na nyoma koso kama pa. It's Global School of Aviation Management Sebra wo we SHS or WASI ukuta diploma HND O and A level and after to degree oba yebebo na afei wotumi enya a certificate TV now also what with the two what that bobra sa there were Global Remedial Colleges so on ma wona tro wasi anko ya ma wono yese mo sambra me tro biem it is away art students, business students, visual arts, general arts students, home economics, we science students there me pa chobra Global Remedial College bra na be tro wasi the biem come and rewrite yes na nyoman koso ye ma me pa tro ye kumase ye ben KNUST Kenten Chrono hostel facilities is available reach us on 0595 847184 0245 052 166 0553 341 679. Global Remedial College as a Global School of Aviation, the only life-changing institution. Trying to na yabwa wanza. Papa job mama found called Don Cool Ventures. Don Cool Ventures. Now, Don Cool Ventures, a wholesale and retail of Club and Guinness products. When it comes to the sales of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, Efa joy ye na ye number 1 eba Achimodan krom ha obi antu bi ye nyoma ne bo ofo bibia nso de na kwemu ne ade a ejin nkofo bebere person mo ne edidwa because ye bibia de that form boko ye distributors of Casaprekum product bitisa Lumbo K20 Black Rock tonic wine alfonso dry gin. All products are sold at lowest wholesale prices. It was Sunny Star Plaza, Jubilee Hospital, Achimodan Boabu Main Road, this one, and I'll be here. If you order about ultra level 360 papa or honey, fare was 0555-486-990, now 0556-252-668. Don't Cool Ventures. Papa job brushes here. Now, I dear Bacopa. Emma, enipa bebre, o maso yeshe. Yare. Debi ame kansa yare enya de papa. Yare ohoi enya de papa. Enti se obi wo hona yare tete no. Na wo hwe ne din ma yare no de ko wu ma. Aje se wuti ma de. Enduro adozo. Na ne papa e wo mu no a ebo ama enipa wedie etumi yakama wo ma wo mu dompe bad body pains one ebia na woni etimi kum di pa obre ube hu ose na me honam ya me ya na me dompe we na twist na me kotodwe na yese ye hu ayeso ena oko obi ho ha ne fie bu atoso but esan say wonya eduru ebetimi aboa ne ntino ebe ho ane say o yese na oko no ode nyame nko me pa chokope mighty power Mema kasanya tente kona kope mighty power. Now mighty power ndrowe Emma artisans, carpenters, woman efuom on the daily. After so yeah, tighten up for check, driver for bankers, presenters. Tighten up for check. Everyone man software be multi transfer for check. Software ultimate transfer no panel in here. Now why counselors members say my software sorry. Software me patcho. We don't pay no AI emre. Compare mighty power. Mighty power. Ebe boy yepa na tutu ya Arabia se edi amount. Me patcho opese wo skin so toso na ye hu say hey bra your skin da so tuntum kokwa compare mighty power skin ointment ni bi skin ointment no it takes care of the skin problems and and make your body do so fresh what they say or skin no better say akoda afofo aya wo skin da so sro pia uzamba crunchy skin affair mighty power skin ointment no bebo out afa obi akoko tete the koko nso nye koko enye etima be masisi yemre etimima obi kura ni fra koko etibisi wani so ana afa be hu ase yesi na ni fra koko nye enye yarepa kope mighty power na embo afa mu amoyematim constipation machimo ebi musu yefu e kakra just a mind no rade nyankopon oped Laza TV bebo mighty power not recommended for persons under 12 years and also not for pregnant or lactating mothers. Contact us on 0242 725 009 0243 122 192. Mighty power. Just so me say si hopoti. Ye call from Pond Enterprise. Ye diga. Ye to adie papa. I was from Pond Enterprise. Now about from Pond Enterprise, BBB person to be say provisions, say cosmetics, say drinks. Now when you be, I was from Pond Enterprise. Say your front have fear person who would journey na use and part. I from the journey I am dead. Me quite front na me ko MC I from mentality. But I say me di I from be journey pa. Na me ko busa group ni say boss. Now, what the turn your money now? Was it over now? What is it from Pond Enterprise? Yeah, it's from Pond Enterprise. Opesa will toy more baggy. Opesa to sugar baggy. Opesa will to tin tomatoes. Opesa will to biscuits, toffees. In fact, maybe also a provision store. Opa, adia over Tonya Sonfaso. See, Maram and Musa call from Pona. The word to be on for so this is a Maram shop. The mini markets now will be able, level 360 anyone or no co we do as a governor marketing on share some mammy we Those auto biscuits every 20 cities are on for 16 cities. From Pond Enterprise, what's it? Pepa choco na koto tonyo ma. Ope drinks are from Pond Enterprise. Ope body spray from Pond Enterprise. Ya ope bi ana air from Pond Enterprise and I recommend the amount. Ya chim odan more. Chim odan more. You try kwa Mandarina Hotel and our face the shop bako and so our old GN Bank. Our total filling station. Okwa chim odan new market in so. Pepa cho your branch bako ewo ho. Enti bobra from Pond Enterprise in Krobatebia. Sa ope issue, ope drinks, ope spray, ope books, ope parts, ope touchlights, ope battery, ope toffee, bibia ope biano. Ope nebi. If our flare was 0244 8975 250 473 953 0242 111236. And check now the lifestyle segment Abrel. Nakacho say and then on lifestyle segment, and of course we're going to talk about how to get rid of fridge odor. Obi wo no ma. Obi any fridge muchewa. Be say na say na me wo madam for be them. You read them one on didn't come on them say abeg Charlie I go drink water. Obi a fridge hey boss hey na then. What could you pass a fridge in the say come now me say me fridge. I say boss. Me ba be na wo so no. Bibi out the share fridge in tama fridge number nkan. Why the baby anko? The mouth techniques, in fact, some remedies on how to get rid of fridge odor. But in the meantime, Afrakoma Community Hospital is the best hospital located at Amasamai Stadium Road in the Gan West Municipality. We have well-trained doctors and nurses with the best midwives you can think of. Afrakoma Community Hospital, our OPD lab, theater, labor ward for children and what do I say? So if you are looking for the best health facility to deal with all your illness, then let Afrakoma Community Hospital be your first choice. We also have 24/7 hour service. Just say, hey, Juman, they be your hot time. Now, when you be a consultant in Ahenia, you can trust our doctors for a perfect job. What do I say? Antibra. Now, Afrakoma Community Hospital, Doctor phoning in. In fact, woman being now woman a training for the amount. Freyan was 0597 005963 0597 005963. Now, young go straight. Now, for young far, your lifestyle segment and from bro. Here on 93.3 FM. Again, if you just tune in, Wasugusa with 93.3 FM. I think kindly your friend Kobina Kosti, with me from our branch of the Perfect Gentleman. And now, there are natural ways to get rid of fridge odor in this dispensation of power outage. Baby, now so I am. Kanya dundum ne keka ho. Obi wa bon si dum kanya foi. Na enkwan no afia se smell it. Na fridge ne fia stew no. And also ka ho bi. Obi wa no ma or the cake bi or the vanilla bi or the bibi asha fridge mu. Yenye dum light pet. Na afia se tun kanya dia. So let me tell you about some tips, some home remedy to get rid of these odors coming from your fridge. Seven can be na into us here from one time. So point number one, and that's my first point. Basically, make sure your fridge is clean. If not, turn it off. See, if you want to get rid of fridge odor, your first step is to turn the fridge off. Doom fridge, Take everything out of the fridge whilst it is defrosted. It's fridge inside a block near the some ice near the make sure you take everything out of the fridge. If you be a free fridge anymore, na man and ma blocks nene friend is saying ice near the opening and nani. Now and nani we are. This is what I want you to do. Making sure that ube cleaning shelves, now for drawers and be cleaning here. Now this is what you use to clean Over use baking soda. I hope so be in baking soda. So you can use baking soda to clean the fridge. And yeah, baking soda no. In fact, in as much as be remove stains from the fridge, it will also help the fridge, to get some nice atmosphere. Yeah, so what I'm trying to say is that baking soda and so bet me but aside say we baking soda be clean, What me use baking soda no? Place an open box of baking soda in your fridge to absorb odors. Right, so replace it every 3 months for best results. So always me top baking soda on. Always me to baking soda no be so. Nah, what cleaning fridge is more Listen, what cleaning fridge is more Now the baking soda is the fridge no more. For baking soda no be so. Na face fridge no more. And can be a try some fridge no baking soda no absorb it. Baking soda no e be absorb it bibia until you fan say ebia what the baking soda is the fridge no more. Na what the enam and now the nkwan with the bibi is the fridge no be. Na say you doom lighter. Na we ni fie. Na say nkwan ni fie as say the scent be air ba fridge man. The baking soda will absorb the smell and I said the scent. It will say be a fridge man in as much as if you say inquiring be fear say oh yeah or born here no baking soda no absorb it. What they try here ebe absorb it no into be a unti san can be but make sure say every 3 months be our best some baking soda no and confirm baking soda be out the sima just why I just have ball there be 3 months be out there is no yi to train. Replace it with a different one. What I say, make sure you open it too. Open the baking soda. Can be if you honey there. You got also have vinegar as well. You see vinegar will wipe down 1 or 2 things we are I know who stains our fridge the most. So wipe down the interior of your fridge with a mixture of equal parts of water and vinegar. This can help eliminate odor. It's good better when the vinegar and so afra issue. Now we are making sure say what who fridge the mungina. Baby afa who mungina. This is sawanya baking soda. You can also use water and vinegar. That people mungina. We sampa o fridge no be huampa. And the last one charcoal. So activated charcoal is known for its other yes, activated charcoal is known for its other absorbing properties, and you can place a few pieces in your fridge to help neutralize odors. Where they my tripod. Where they men another chair. So me actually so every 3 weeks or sometimes a month, 3 weeks or a month. Me be out of my fridge. Na me dum no. Na ma twen for some time na ice na opening na anane. And ani wi a na ma hufrum. Me the baking soda. Ahufrum nyina fine. We are na me the charcoal small one bi atum one e chire ho no baby. Na ma sa share nwa nyina back. Ube hu se anytime you baby your fridge mo bia no. There's this nice smell. What the baby share when you do like to crash? Still now there's this nice smell in your fridge. Try not try there. Try come market this year. Compare baking soda. Compare baking soda this year. Obefia do fridge no. You be every fridge no more. Na fa baking soda no who from wash the fridge. We are leave an empty box of baking soda in your fridge. An empty empty box, an opened box of baking soda. BSO na fesim na feshe nyoma na back na 2 fridge no na yendum light na hwa de still na ubi a be musampa scent na ye kama wanya sa o fridge mu be bon time bia obi wo no ohuru ni fridge no ma onim na ntia fridge mu gusu bon wo se enam no a ese wo fridge no ano e ding Intianko. So this is some natural remedy, and that's a home remedy, green remedy. The amount to keep your fridge or your refrigerator clean and odor free. Odor free. Ebema o fridge no may come up. Mesi uko bi fi o ma unsu a untumi nom fridge no mo bon. O ma unsu a untumi nom. Meba cho ye de my matchro wi. Ebema o fridge no may come up. Come up. So I had any of the lifestyle segment in the BC and there. Mama, some tips on how to get rid of fridge odor. Send Abema or fridge in my home. Come up. Ukofi a try. Maybe I would see me who a dream. If I chose Ukofi a try. Ukofi, make sure you will try this. Nah, Shadi.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Alright, you best actually more than ECG for. And then 3 years in Sue Toy, you know. From money boo, no be Emma. I think say from a mantra. Ediko sing content. Mudu Dukes filling station or grab be money be I don't know some more here there, but yesterday, the whole of yesterday, na light in you. And money be near the idea. Minim nipa was obey, so that ECG for never say you, say a chance for never some by you, Sakutia for never so by you, Yenim. Or the animal someone yamu ECG for. Please, you best say with a mobile attendee fast at the mind. I feel Sakomono. Of course, Sakomono, why you see in Suono and then Framano, MOB, in chance of dance 2 years. In chance of dance 2 years, and I could talk, pull back also, why is ne back also? In Tiama, Sakomon of Fonsu ni lights. In Tindra, Niana, Sakomon of Fonsu da Sumo. As I mean, this morning, cry me boy. And I'll pay you so Sakomon of Fonsu and send any lights. So we are pleading with ECG. Because whatever the problem is, you best rectify the fast at the Maya. Because the whole of yesterday, fiti a mantra adequacy barrier runabout to honum. Na lights anyhow. Na light. And then in 3 days, me I was there. In so the Tony we were yanya wo ya honum na did see. Ama billboard scrap boo near there. Where snibi kanki kambo mu be meter crowd 2 year. Yesterday the woman went to fix the meter. But light in mind to them say meter no fixing the crash a big man saying you man. Nay want. We are pleading with ECG, ya patrol. Saying 10 be now somewhere and I say Bibisa. Mojuma yentimi for share, it mean for pressure and tomoso. But we are just pleading. See a sremo. Bimuda asumu. I was Sakomono. You see chance of dying be at the way so. Ya patrol. More attending my Lucas, where they catch your colleagues now. One proper my
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Likes it when I stay. She says she don't want me to go. She says I always make her day. Girl, would you be my lover now? She says she really likes my style. Seems like she wants to take it slow. Do anything to make her smile. Girl, would you be my lover now? What am I to do? Tired of running around chasing you. I can never think think of replacing you. Cause now you are the fine, baby, make up your mind. Hey, would you be my lover? Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Would you be my lover? No, yes, no, yes, no. And if you won't be my lover, let me know. Yes, no, yes. Would you be my lover? Friends telling you to just say no, baby, no answer or love for phone. This guy is feeling it in my soul. So would you be my lover?
Baby, let me be the reason why you love someone so much. Baby, let me be the reason why you feel tempted to touch. I never see anybody like you. Even in the night time, baby, I go there for you. Beauty, the life for your body, nobody. Baby, give me vibe, make I touch you tonight, Baby, give me vibe, make I feel alright, Baby, give me vibe, I wanna touch you tonight, Baby, give me vibe, make I feel alright.
Me deem, mommy, sweat, or do you want to say? And I'm a tree. Ube the day, which I'll pass, forget to do. Everywhere, it be me go take you go. Look, I know the joke, I know be clown. We are sexy, skin color sound. Made the medical, so what's my sounds? Forgetting this food, you be the pounds. We are me taste, we are me type. I know the exaggerate, it no be hype. Bitchy woody, I dey believe. Kimchi, family say Adam, we are me Eve. Wanna do few things for you, so you for relax. Body say Erica Badu. It is a cash, taking me home to set tattoo. Yes, I the rash face. I want my cartoon with a little touch. Wow, see your teeth. I call it snow. Men pass them, make you never give me blow. Jam away a traffic. Mama, my slow. What do you need a question? I can make you say too. Yeah, Shaki, everything is bombastic. Jimmy, if you say me put a bamboo stick, no plastic, lasting.
Are you ready?
Spidely Entertainment.
See this life where we to live. Me, I know say everyone they try to do good. This is crazy. But you punk, I say you're weak. Somebody go fi hurt you, but maybe he didn't even mean to. Cause soon pencil honamono. On your day be an unfanu. But challenge no one is perfect, so I beg you forgive him if I can. Fache, yeah. Challenge my young canary, I say no being in my dacho. It's so beautiful. Fache, yeah. Please forgive him if you can. So I beg you forgive if you can.
Me I hear say, if a man really loves you, we no go hurt you, but he be here say. Cause I don't know when that love is the only reason why you can be hurt in the first place. Love is blind, love is pain. Or to that white shirt, I then I'll bet you stain. Minya why you musu ebiana when you no true for the you're more than what you saying. Yeah. What's a man who make you cry? The mama nah. Be the same man who go make you go smile. So not true love for them. It's so beautiful. Why they beg you forgive him if you can. Fache, yeah. Tell my young canary I see no being in my daughter. It's so beautiful.
You say this love not be work for you, so you no go retire. Stop complaining, baby, stop complaining. I say I love you, but today no one contain me. I swear, the moon and the stars, I'll take you there, oh mama, my baby. I go take bullet for you. I said I be one, baby, no be two. I go take bullet for you. Make I protect you with my bulletproof. Bullet for you. I said I be one, baby, no be two. I go take bullet for you. Make I protect you with my bulletproof. My love, I say make you not cry, yo. You
the first for me, I say challenge you the child. Money be. You light my world like some bubble. You make I know say this life no be coco. You say Kashiba boy ka coco. Me sumabo, bunting like momo. You say you dey love my gorilla. Me too I dey love your vanilla. Mama, mia. Baby girl, I say let me show tempo. My baby keep it on a low tempo. Make me show them up. Our style be low tempo.
Baby, my baby, I like you. Only you every day I want to see for my side, oh. Pressure no go fi catch me, no be this time, oh. I be your mama and you be my daddy. I be one girl where you never know about me. You for know me, I know the joke. We are the best team, lolo for the road. Be your mama and you be my daddy. I be one girl where you never know about me. You for know me, I know the joke. We are the best team, lolo for the road. Mala, oh la la. Baby boy, I say make we show them.
Low tempo. My baby keep it on a low tempo. Make me show them up. Our style is low tempo. Our style is good.
When you say you're when I grew up is a bank. Tell me fantastic.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Everybody happy, yo. Yeah, Afrobeat tonight. Yeah, we come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel alright. Yeah, Afrobeat tonight. Yeah, we come together when everybody feel the vibe. Everybody feel alright. Like, when you hear the the beating when they play.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
So when you hear the gong, make you know they frown, yeah. See me far away, you know so we far gone. La me habo, and you wait me to the mambo. This song is for my people, like everybody knows that. Africa, yeah. Africa, whoa, yeah. Kelvin boy is calling. When I dance, you dance, oh. When I see my friends, yeah. I say, Charlie, what's up, oh? Everybody happy, yo, yeah.
Afrobeat tonight.
Yeah, we come together when everybody feels the line.
That's right, it's the music of Kevin Boy. And he calls this one Afrobeat. Yeah, but this is the authentic Afrobeat music. I mean, the first I heard this song somewhere 2018, I'm sure. I mean, I felt Fela Kuti in this song. Yeah, powerful Afro music from Kevin Boy, Afrobeat music, and of course, we leave you with Afrobeat from Kevin Boy. My name has always been the same. Jenny me champ on Kobina Boateng. Because it's a time for me to draw down the curtains for the news at 12:10. Right today, if you have what the looks on baby. If you ask and no more, and I want me for pound. I said, I will need my smooth. Then we secret. And I show you shirts. Oh, fine. Your friend me coming across the brand about the perfect gentleman. Make up. I'm my friend me for but to go anymore. What's today? What's today?
Master me out.
Who shirt ne fatal. You when your color is it? I had it, never had it. Yes. Exactly. Wow, nice. A fatal. Your friend me for but to go anymore. Try me my jam I grew up with you told you. Me mom didn't say.
One dog.
Bye bye.